In a world filled with beauty products promising youthful skin, the best remedies often come from nature's own pantry. Meet Yen, a skincare enthusiast who swears by her grandmother's time-tested recipe for an age-defying face mask. This isn't just any mask. It's a symphony of natural ingredients working in harmony to create a powerhouse of skin-loving elements. The star performer of Yen's ageless beauty secret is the humble papaya. This tropical treasure trove is packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that make your skin sing. When transformed into a mask, papaya's alpha-hydroxy acids take center stage, acting as a natural exfoliator that gently paves the way for a brighter, smoother complexion. These hard-working acids also play a key role in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time, making it a secret weapon in the quest for ageless beauty. Next in line is Greek yogurt, a skin superfood that nourishes and hydrates your skin, thanks to its probiotics and lactic acid. Its creamy texture adds a touch of luxury to the mask, ensuring your skin's moisture balance is always on point. Then we have white tea, a soothing soothsayer that shields your skin against environmental stresses with its antioxidant properties, paving the way for a more resilient and radiant complexion. To elevate the rejuvenating effects of this mask, Yen adds a splash of fresh lemon juice, a natural brightener rich in vitamin C. This citrus superstar evens out skin tone and promotes a healthy glow. And let's not forget the organic egg white, a natural skin-tightening agent that minimizes the appearance of pores and improves overall skin elasticity thanks to its high protein content. So, what do you get when you blend half a fresh papaya, a tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of brewed and cooled white tea, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and an organic egg white? You get Yen's magical concoction, a testament to the potency of natural ingredients in promoting radiant, healthy skin. This magical concoction is a powerhouse of skin-loving elements. The star of this beauty elixir is the humble papaya, a tropical fruit renowned for its rich reserves of skin-loving vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. Nestled in the heart of the tropics, papayas are not just a delicious treat, but also a treasure chest of nutrients that can significantly enhance your skin's health and vitality. Known for its high content of vitamin C, papaya helps to brighten the skin, reducing the visibility of blemishes and dark spots. But it doesn't stop there. This tropical delight is also packed with vitamin A, an essential nutrient for cell regeneration. This means it supports your skin in its natural renewal process, encouraging the growth of fresh, new skin cells and aiding in the repair of damaged ones. But perhaps the most potent weapon in papaya's skincare arsenal is its abundance of alpha-hydroxy acids, or AHAs. These naturally occurring acids serve as a gentle yet effective exfoliator. They work their magic by breaking down the bonds between dead skin cells, allowing them to be easily swept away. This process of exfoliation helps to reveal the fresh, healthy skin underneath, giving your complexion a brighter, more youthful appearance. Moreover, the regular application of a papaya-based mask can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. The AHAs in papaya help to stimulate collagen production, a protein that is crucial for skin elasticity and firmness. By boosting your skin's collagen levels, you're effectively fighting against the signs of aging, keeping your skin looking young and supple. Beyond its wrinkle-fighting capabilities, papaya is also excellent for balancing oily skin. Its natural enzymes, particularly papain, help to regulate the production of sebum, your skin's natural oil. This can help prevent the clogging of pores, reducing the likelihood of breakouts and acne. So the next time you enjoy a slice of this tropical fruit, remember that it's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a treat for your skin. When blended into a mask, papaya works wonders, promoting a smoother texture and revealing a brighter complexion underneath. It's clear to see why it's the star of our age-defying beauty elixir. Greek yogurt, with its probiotics and lactic acid, joins forces with papaya to deeply nourish and hydrate the skin. It's not just a creamy delight for your taste buds, but also a moisturizing treat for your skin. The probiotics in Greek yogurt help to restore the skin's natural barrier, while its lactic acid content gently exfoliates, revealing a fresh and glowing complexion. Now, let's introduce white tea to the mix. This delicate and subtly sweet brew is not just for sipping. white tea is packed with antioxidants, even more than its green and black counterparts. These antioxidants work to protect the skin from environmental stresses and oxidative damage, which can accelerate the aging process. So, in essence, white tea is like a protective shield for your skin, fighting off free radicals and promoting a youthful complexion. Next on our list of supporting stars is fresh lemon juice, a natural source of vitamin C. This brightening powerhouse is known for its ability to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It's like a natural spotlight, illuminating your skin from within. Plus, its astringent properties help to tighten the skin, giving it a firm and toned appearance. And finally, we have the organic egg white. It might seem like a surprising addition to a face mask, but it's actually a fantastic natural skin tightening agent. The high protein content in egg whites helps to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of pores. It's like a mini facelift in the comfort of your own home. Together, these ingredients form a symphony of skin-loving goodness. The Greek yogurt moisturizes and restores, the white tea protects and rejuvenates, the lemon juice brightens and tightens, and the egg white firms and refines. Each component plays its part, enhancing the mask's rejuvenating effects and contributing to a more resilient and radiant complexion. The beauty of this mask lies not just in its effects, but also in the harmony of its ingredients. Each one, though powerful on its own, works in concert with the others, amplifying their benefits and creating a truly potent skincare solution. Together, these ingredients enhance the mask's rejuvenating effects, contributing to a more resilient and radiant complexion. Creating Yen's Ageless Skin Potion is a simple yet delightful process. This is a journey not just into the world of natural skincare, but also into a tradition that has been passed down through generations. So let's get started. First, you'll need half of a fresh papaya. Make sure to remove the seeds and dice it into small pieces. Papaya is the star of this show, bringing its wealth of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes to the table. Remember, the fresher the better, as it ensures the highest concentration of nutrients. Next, add a tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt to the mix. This isn't just for texture, but also for its probiotics and lactic acid, which deeply nourish and hydrate your skin. It's like a little spa treatment in every dollop. Now it's time for our soothing agent, white tea. Brew a cup, let it cool, and add a tablespoon to your blend. Its antioxidant properties will provide a protective layer against environmental stresses, boosting your skin's resilience and radiance. To this, squeeze in a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Its vitamin C content helps even out skin tone and promotes a healthy glow. It's like a little burst of sunshine for your skin. Lastly, crack open an organic egg and separate the white. This serves as our natural skin tightening agent. Thanks to its high protein content, it helps to minimize the appearance of pores and improve overall skin elasticity. Blend these ingredients together in a food processor, or for a more rustic feel, mash them together with a fork. As you blend, you'll notice the ingredients merging into a creamy concoction, releasing a fresh and inviting aroma. This process is not just about mixing ingredients, it's about crafting a potion that embodies the essence of natural beauty. The goal is to achieve a creamy paste that can be easily applied to the face and neck. And there you have it, a powerhouse of skin-loving elements ready to work their magic on your skin, all wrapped up in Yen's age-defying face mask recipe. Once the mask is ready, it's time to indulge in a moment of self-care. With your homemade beauty potion in hand, it's time to set the stage for a rejuvenating skincare session. Slather the mask evenly onto your face and neck, taking care to avoid the delicate eye area. This is your moment to relax and let the power-packed ingredients work their magic. As you sit back with the mask on, you might feel a gentle tingling sensation. This is the alpha-hydroxy acids from the papaya and the protein from the egg white working together to revitalize your skin, promoting a smoother texture and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Let the mask do its work for 20 to 30 minutes. This is the perfect time to unwind, perhaps read a book or listen to your favorite podcast. As you relax, the mask is getting to work, deeply nourishing and hydrating your skin, promoting a more resilient and radiant complexion. After the designated time, Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water, revealing a refreshed and rejuvenated complexion. You'll notice an immediate difference, but the true benefits of this mask come with regular use. The more you use this mask, the more pronounced the effects will be. Your skin will begin to look brighter, feel smoother, and those pesky wrinkles will start to fade away. In conclusion, Yen's secret beauty recipe is more than just a skincare ritual. It's an homage to the power of natural ingredients. This wrinkle-fighting papaya face mask combines the exfoliating properties of fresh papaya, the nourishing power of Greek yogurt, the protective qualities of white tea, the brightening effects of lemon juice, and the skin-tightening benefits of egg white. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in promoting healthy, radiant skin. The result is a natural, effective solution to combat signs of aging, leaving your skin looking youthful and glowing. By incorporating this wrinkle-fighting papaya face mask into your skincare routine, you can embark on a journey towards timeless beauty, just like Yen and her cherished family tradition. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.